Essex, and I am your network marketing, affiliate marketing, online success connection. Welcome to my channel. Our channel is all about giving reviews on company, tools, and products in our industry. We deal primarily with how to make money with network marketing, how to make money with affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and how to generate unlimited leads for your home-based business. Every day we give a review so that you can make a well-informed decision. If you are interested in any of these topics, feel free to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button below, and also to hit the bell icon so that you can be notified every day when we release our videos. With that being said, guys, let's get into today's review. Hello everyone. The company that we will be doing a review on today is a company called Primerica. Right now we're looking at the Primerica corporate website, and the corporate website is a very simple website, but it's filled with loads of information about the company if you're interested in using their insurance policies or interested in being an independent contractor and making money with Primerica. So let me tell you a little bit about Primerica. Primerica was started in 1977 by Arthur L. Williams, and it was originally called A.L. Williams. Primerica is a U.S.-based MLM company that sells insurance and financial services. The headquarters of Primerica is located in Duluth, Georgia. The company has been in existence since 1977. So what does Primerica do? Primerica is a MLM insurance company that primarily has term life insurance. It gives family the coverage they need at the price that they can afford. And they state that nobody understands what families need for life insurance like Primerica. They provide simple, affordable term life insurance, benefits, and future rich solutions. Your own representative who is interested in your personal needs, up to 70 cents face amount terminal illness benefit with waiver of premium with a maximum of $400,000. They're the leading industry renewal options, family banding, and unique custom term solution. So basically, Primerica in a nutshell is a life insurance company that is sold through MLM. Now, they also have other products, and they have products that gear around financial analysis services and investments. So we can look at some of the other products that Primerica offers. They have the term life insurance. They have financial need analysis, where they come out and analyze what financial needs your family will benefit from. They do have investments. They have auto and home insurance. They have long-term care insurance. They have prepaid legal, and also they have identity theft. But their flagship product is the term life insurance. Now, as I stated, they have been in existence since 1977. I would like to make a disclosure that I am not a Primerica representative, but I have had the Primerica policy in effect since 1982. So it is a good policy to protect your home, I would say up until the age of 65, and that's the reason why we purchased it, so our family will be financially protected until we could tap into our investments and our Social Security. So It is not a scam. It is a rock solid company that has been in effect since 1977. Now, what I'd like to do now is to share a little bit about what type of money you can make with Primerica if you're interested in selling their insurance policies. Now, they said that as you start out a representative, you get paid 25% of the contracts that you signed up. You have to be able to submit a background check, pass a background check, and you have to have 4 complete training transactions, and you'll be making 25% at that point. And then when you have 12 transactions, you'll advance to a 35% income take from each contract. Now, as you advance in the company, they have different levels of advancement in the management portion of the company. And just to show you a little bit about what you can make as being a Primerica Insurance MLM representative, they said a district manager can make anywhere up to $3,500 a month, up to $42,000 a year. This is projected through their numbers. They say that a division manager possibly can make anywhere from $5,400 a month up into $64,800 a month, and a regional leader can make roughly $7,000 a month and roughly $84,000 a year. Now, you can go to the website to see what is the qualifying factors to make this type of income from Primerica, and they say the top regional vice presidents, they make anywhere from $14,700 a month up into $176,000 per year. So, as I said, Primerica is a rock solid company. If you're interested in learning how to make money with Primerica, I would suggest that you visit their corporate website. And if you're interested in looking at their life insurance policies. So this is a short overview of a long-standing company. It's a simple overview because the only product that they offer is life insurance and products that helps to enhance the financial well-being of your home that we spoke about earlier. Now, at this point, I usually give pros and cons of getting involved with companies. And like I said, the company that we reviewed today is Primerica. Now, some of the pros I see with Primerica is that it is a strong, stable financial company. It has a good financial outlook. It has been a leading force in the insurance business since 1977. They have a variety of non-life insurance financial products that we talked about, and they do focus on the middle class. So that's some of the pros of the company. Now, some of the cons that I see in the company is that it's sold by MLM, so it is a multi-level marketing insurance company. Now, for you to make money with any multi-level marketing company and not just Primerica, you're going to have to be able to position yourself where you can generate a lot of leads to look at your product or opportunity. So that's one of the cons that I see in this, is that the only way that you can make money is by sharing this company and product with other people who are either interested in buying the product or making money with you with this company. And another con is that with the insurance packages that they only offer term life. They do not offer whole insurance. Now, as I stated earlier, if you're interested in building a business with Primerica, one of the main things you're going to have to be able to do is generate a whole lot of leads. Because I've been involved in network marketing for quite a few years. I have to admit, my first 4, 5, 6, 7 years, I really struggled until I really learned the key to building a business in network marketing is that you have to have an unlimited supply of leads. And I don't don't know when. I don't mean to say that as you're building your business and you're getting a lot of leads that everybody's going to sign up, but they're not. But you need to have a lot of people looking at your business and opportunity, because they have the saying, some will, some won't, so what next? I know for a fact that you can't depend on your family or friends, because even if they're interested, they really don't take these types of business as serious as you would. And I've signed up family and friends in a variety of multi-level marketing businesses that I have been involved with, and trust me, I have never had a successful company that was the foundation was built on my family and friends, because they were 9 times out of 10 some of the first people to fall out of the business. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if you're interested in learning how to generate an unlimited supply of leads to look at Primerica as your business, or any online or MLM company, look at the bottom description in this video. Underneath this video, you will see a description, and I can show you how you can learn to generate unlimited leads for your home-based business. And also, if you're interested in learning how to use YouTube as a way to generate leads for your business, like I'm doing today. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review on Primerica, please give me a thumbs up and a comment, and also a like. I also would suggest that you subscribe to my channel so that you can learn every day what we're talking about in the industry, to keep you abreast on how to make money online and working from home. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment sections below, because I do respond to all my comments. And if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below this video. Feel free to click the link and review. And also, if you have any questions, again, get back with me, because I do respond to all my questions. Well, with that being said, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon, and again, ladies and gentlemen, I will be seeing you on our next review.